legal aspect of
Dr. Bogosia, the kidney specialist with Kidney Foundation, highlighted the early signs and symptoms of kidney failure.
Okay, some of the earlier signs of kidney failure is, I think, very important that people have to notice is when you start to feel weak often, that you want to sleep often is another sign. That you notice your relatives or maybe yourself, you might feel that you feel fatigued most times of the day. It's one of the important things. You start to notice that you don't have the energy to go about doing your daily job. So when you start seeing that one, you must quickly come and see a doctor for blood tests. The second sign that comes up is you start to lose your appetite. You start to feel like you're vomiting and you feel like you don't want to eat your meal. That is another important sign. Another thing is you start having itchy feeling all over your skin, like an ant is biting onto your back or your arm and you're scratching everywhere. That is another important sign.
He said people with diabetes are likely to get kidney failure.
The important sign is when you want to go up a flight of stairs, climbing up, you will struggle to go up. Then when you see that, you must come and see your doctor quickly. Most of these conditions happen to people who have a background of diabetes and high blood pressure. So for those who have issues with blood pressure already and who are seeing their doctors for it, one of the important signs that what they see with patients with diabetes is you start to feel weak often, you're hungry often, and that you notice that you start having weakness in your body most times.
He also mentioned that people with background of high blood pressure are most likely to get kidney failure.
Another group of patients who succumb easily to kidney failure or who become patients who end up with kidney failure are people who've been told by your doctors previously that your blood pressure is often high. And if you've not been taking your treatment, it's also very important that you come to the hospital to check up once you have the other signs and you know that you will also have a history of blood pressure problems in the past. So blood pressure is simple. You start to have headaches and all that. Especially headaches, a common sign of blood pressure going up. So you must come in and see. Another common problem nowadays is for people who have gout. People who have joint pains, especially after a drink of beer, or if you have a lot of protein and you're still having joint pains and all that, you must come quickly to see your doctor. Don't go and seek medicines like pain medicines like Voltaren and all that in the shops.
Here is a word of encouragement to the general public.
People who always go out for a drink of beer, be careful. We have a lot of patients that are coming in with problems, especially with gout-related problems, joint pains. And many go and then seek quick pain relief from medicines like Voltaren. And these medicines are not really friendly to the kidney. They actually are killing a lot of our people now. So one of my advice would be, avoid such things as alcohol if you don't need to drink it. And if you do have the joint pains, please see a doctor so that they can advise you which is the best medicine to take.
Esther Gane, National EMTV News.